Hello and welcome. This is going to be a very easy lesson. All you're going to do is upload a pre-made file onto Teespring to make your leggings. So you go to teespring.com, teespring.com. You click up here, start designing. Then you're going to go to this page where it says log in. You're going to click right here to sign up if you don't already have an account. If you already know how to use Teespring, you probably don't even need to watch this video. So next, you're going to go to this page. You're going to fill in your email, password, click that, sign up, and you'll instantly have an account. And then you can confirm it. I'm pretty sure they send you an email. I'm not positive on that. Then you're going to scroll down to where it says leggings. You're going to click there. Right here, here. Then you're going to upload your art right here. Select your file. You can click your download folder if you didn't take your file out of your download folder. And now in this example, I'm using a PNG with a transparent background. Then right here, you can change your price if you want. It shows your profit. And then here you're going to want to center your image after it loads. Make sure it's centered with these lines. And these lines here show you if you were to order the smallest pair, the design would get cut off right here. Or if you order the largest pair, the design gets cut off right here. So the design will be different depending on which size you order. Then you can click on all these here to change the position of the preview. You click over here to preview. Then you can click here to add colors to the leggings themselves if you have a transparent background. Some designs will not have a transparent background. And here you see you can select your colors and you'll see them appear over here. And then you hit done. You're in the design window. And now here's your color options. And here you could select to see the different ones, how they look. White, gray, black, and then here we're in preview, the preview window. Same thing, black, gray, white, like a burgundy, I guess that would be. Then you're going to go to this next window. After you hit continue down here, you'll come to this next window here. For now you're just going to do leggings, but you could do socks, you can add the design to, and other things in here by hitting these buttons. But for now we're just going to stick with leggings. Then you click continue here. And then you just fill this out. If you don't really want to sell them on Teespring, you don't really have to worry too much about this. But if you do want to sell them on Teespring and show them to your friends or your following or whatever, you just put your title here, your description, then it'll automatically make a web link for you right here. And then if you click in this area, you get to pick which shows up first on your listing if you were trying to sell them. So right here it shows this is select it, and then it shows right here with the little star that this color is the first thing people will see when they log onto your page. Then you hit done down here. And then this is basically it. And you have your leggings. You could order them for yourself. At this point in time, if you set the price to $27.50, I'm pretty sure it is, you would get them at cost. And if you wanted to sell them to other people, then you'd set the price higher than that. But if you just wanted to buy them for yourself or a gift or whatever, you set the price to $27.50 and you just order your own leggings. Now if you are more into selling them and you want to fix this up a little bit, you could go up into here where your account is. Then you're going to click on products. Then you're going to click on this little pencil for whatever listing you want to update. Then you're going to come here and you can actually fix your title, do a better description, and actually do tags too. You could do tags right here, and then you would hit save changes after you're done. And then here's where I just put in a couple tags for an example and change this a little bit. And then there's more advanced things, like if you add products like I showed you before, you can switch this here too. And then you hit save changes, and that's it. And you see the updates right here. You don't really see your tags for some reason. And that's your first lesson, and it's pretty easy. You just upload your pre-made design and you have leggings. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching my video. You can like, comment, and share. And also don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to receive updates, and be sure to click the bell. Thanks again.